Hey there, are you ready to kickstart a powerful 5-day journey to a flatter stomach? Imagine waking up in just a few days feeling stronger, tighter, and more confident. And you don't even need any fancy equipment, just your body weight and a little space at home. This beginner-friendly workout routine is all about targeting those core muscles and getting real results fast. I know life can be busy and it's hard to find time for the gym. But here's the good news. By dedicating just 15 to 20 minutes each day for the next 5 days, you're going to see real progress. We'll be focusing on key core exercises that are effective, simple, and incredibly rewarding. Stick with me each day, and you'll notice a stronger, tighter core by the end of this challenge. Day 1. Building the foundation, core strength and activation. Before we jump into the main exercises, let's get warmed up. Warming up is crucial to prepare your body and core muscles, reducing the risk of injury. Start with some light torso twists. Stand up, feet shoulder width apart, arms extended, and twist your upper body from side to side. Focus on engaging your core with each twist to activate those obliques. Exercise 1. Plank hold. The plank is a gold standard exercise for core stability and strength. Get down on your forearms and toes, aligning your body from head to heels. Squeeze your abs tight, keeping your hips level. If you're new to this, start with 15 to 20 seconds and build up as you get stronger. Feel those muscles shake. That's your body growing stronger. Planks are the foundation of core stability, and each second you hold builds resilience and strength. Imagine your core becoming a powerhouse. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches, 15 reps each side. Lie on your back, place your hands lightly behind your head, and lift your legs into a tabletop position. Twist your torso, bringing your right elbow toward your left knee while straightening the other leg. Then switch sides. This move targets not only the rectus abdominis, but also the obliques. Tip: focus on moving slowly and controlled. This isn't about speed. Take each twist mindfully, feeling each contraction in your abs. This will maximize your muscle engagement and get you those defined results. Exercise 3. Leg raises, 10 to 12 reps. Lie flat on your back with your arms by your sides. Keep your legs straight, lift them up towards the ceiling, and then slowly lower them back down without letting them touch the floor. Leg raises are excellent for targeting those tough lower abs. Maintain control, and if you feel strain in your lower back, place your hands under your hips for support. This movement isn't about speed, but steady, mindful control as you lower and lift those legs. Cool down. Take a moment to stretch by reaching overhead while lying on your back. Feel the lengthening in your core muscles. You've built a strong foundation today, and that's the first step toward progress. On day 2, we're adding some cardio to increase fat burning while still working that core. These dynamic movements will boost your heart rate, allowing you to burn more calories as you work those abs. Warm up, start with 30 seconds of high knees. Keep your core tight, lifting those knees high, aiming for waist height. This movement engages the core and gets your blood pumping, preparing you for the workout. Exercise 1. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a powerful full-body movement that also target your abs. Get into a plank position with hands under shoulders, then quickly alternate bringing each knee toward your chest, keeping your hips steady. Tip: think of this as running in a plank. Go at a pace that feels challenging, but maintain form. Focus on each knee drive and keeping those abs tight. Every step gets you closer to those results. Exercise 2. Russian twists, 15 reps each side. Sit on the floor, lean back slightly, and lift your feet just off the ground. Twist your torso from side to side, tapping the floor beside you each time. This movement sculpts the obliques and brings definition to your side abs. Tip: keep your chest lifted and avoid hunching. If you're finding it difficult to balance, place your feet lightly on the floor until you feel more stable. Exercise 3. Cross-body mountain climbers. Similar to regular mountain climbers, but this time, bring each knee toward the opposite elbow, adding a twist. This slight change shifts the focus to your obliques, giving them an extra burn. This one's tough, but every twist is bringing you closer to that sculpted look. Keep pushing, and imagine each rep getting you closer to your goal. Cool down. Finish with a deep side stretch to release tension in your obliques and bring a sense of calm to the end of your session. You're making excellent progress. Day 3, core isolation and control. Day 3 is all about isolation and control. Today's moves are designed to help you connect deeply with your core muscles, building that mind-to-muscle connection that's so important for real results. Warm up. Start with 20 seconds of hip circles in each direction. This will loosen up your core and hip joints, allowing for greater range of motion in today's exercises. Exercise 1. Dead bug, 10 reps each side. Lie on your back, arms reaching towards the ceiling and knees bent at 90 degrees. Slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor, then return to starting position and switch sides. This exercise may look simple, but it's incredibly effective at engaging those deep core muscles. Tip: focus on pulling your belly button down towards your spine, keeping your back flat against the floor. If it feels challenging, reduce your range of motion to keep control. Exercise 2. Flutter kicks. Lie flat with your arms by your sides, lift your legs a few inches off the floor, and alternate small kicks. Flutter kicks work the lower abs and help build core endurance. Tip: if your lower back arches, place your hands under your hips for added support. Keep those kicks small, steady, and controlled. Exercise 3. Plank toe taps, 15 reps each side. Start in a high plank position and tap one foot out to the side, then bring it back in and switch sides. This movement challenges your core stability while activating the lower abs. Every tap is working your entire core. Imagine your core strength building with each move. Cool down, finish with a gentle cobra stretch to release tension in your abs and back. You're building strength and stability. Amazing work today. Day 4, core burnout. High reps, high intensity. These exercises will push you to your limit, but they'll bring you one step closer to those results. Begin with 30 seconds of jumping jacks and 30 seconds of jogging in place. This quick cardio warm-up will prepare your core and get your heart rate up. Exercise 1. Reverse crunches, 20 reps. Lie on your back, hands by your sides. Bring your knees toward your chest, lifting your hips off the ground slightly, then lower them slowly. Reverse crunches are powerful for targeting the lower abs. Form tip: control the lift and lower to make sure you're working those lower abs. Think of squeezing your core with each rep. Exercise 2. Side plank twists, 10 reps each side. Get into a side plank with your elbow directly under your shoulder. Twist your torso, bringing your top arm under your body, then return. This move targets the obliques and builds core endurance. These twists might feel intense, but every single rep is strengthening and sculpting those side abs. Exercise 3. High plank knee tucks. In a high plank, bring one knee toward your chest and switch legs. This move targets the lower abs and keeps the entire core engaged. Tip: stay focused on keeping your hips level and controlled. Each knee drive brings you closer to that flat stomach. Cool down. End with a few deep breaths in child's pose. Reflect on your progress. You're almost at the finish line. Day 5. Power core and flexibility. Cool down day with core focus. We're combining power with flexibility, allowing your muscles to recover and strengthen. Warm up. Start with gentle leg swings and core rotations to prepare for our final workout. Exercise 1. Spider-Man plank. From a forearm plank, bring one knee towards the same elbow, then switch. This adds flexibility and mobility to your workout while challenging your core. Think of each movement as one step closer to a stronger, more defined core. Finish strong. You've got this. Exercise 2. Seated leg lifts, 15 reps. Sit with legs extended, lift one leg a few inches off the ground, hold briefly, then switch. This move isolates the lower abs and improves balance. Tip: focus on steady, controlled lifts. This will add definition and strength to your lower abs. Exercise 3. Hollow body. Hold lie on your back, lift your legs and shoulders off the ground, and hold this position. This hold engages the entire core and builds endurance. Tip: if it's challenging, bend your knees. The key is to keep your core tight and hold steady. Cool down, finish with a spinal twist. Breathe deeply, reflect on your progress, and feel proud of your achievements this week. So, what's next for you? Let us know in the comments. Did you feel a difference by day 5? What was your favorite exercise? I'd love to hear how this challenge has helped you. And if you're looking to keep up the momentum, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We're constantly sharing new workouts, fitness tips, and motivational content to help you reach your goals. Thank you for joining this challenge. Keep up the great work, stay strong, and remember, you're capable of amazing things. Let's keep moving forward together. You've got this.